Hello, my dear students. On that day, we discussed the lesson the suitor and papa, and into on that day we discussed that what was the reactions of the suitor, the Peter Petrovich Milkin, and how he would like to settle the matter. So whenever his friends inform him that my dear friends, you are going to get married. When are you going to give us the stag party? Into that, at that time, Peter was really shocked because he has no intention to get married. But all the people speak into that way regarding that he has some problems and he would like to settle the matter. And how he settle, is he able to settle the matter or not? What are the things he would like to discuss with Mr. Kondaskins? What are his questions? What are the reactions of Mr. Kondaskins? All these things today we discuss. Let's move to the next paragraph. On the day after this conversation, an embarrassed and somewhat frightened Milkin went into court councillor Kondaskin's study. On the day after this conversation, after the conversations with his friend, Peter Petrovich Milkin decided to settle the matter. And due to that, he went to the study room of Mr. Kondaskin. When he went to the study room of Mr. Kondaskin at the time, Peter Petrovich Milkin was really embarrassed, very disturbed, and he has some fear in his mind. আৰু মনত অলপ যেন ভয় লাগিছিলে, তেওঁ যেন বহুত ডিষ্টাৰ্ব হৈ আছিলে। কিন্তু তেওঁ কি কৰিছিলে যে এই গোটেই কথাটো আলোচনা কৰিবৰ বাবে তেওঁ পাইটাৰ ভাবিলে যে মিষ্টাৰ কণ্ডাস্কিনক তেওঁ লগ কৰিবই লাগিব আৰু গোটেই বিষয়টো তেওঁ এটা সিদ্ধান্তলৈকে আহিবই লাগিব। When Mr. Kondaskin see Peter Petrovich Milkin, how he reacts? Now see, Peter Petrovich said his host in greeting. Host means one who welcome the guest. Here, host Mr. Kondaskin. Mr. Kondaskin said, Peter Petrovich, how are we getting on? Into what way we meet? Missing her, because Mr. Kondaskin feels that you are in hurry, Peter. You are in hurry. You miss her. Would like to meet her like that. He. Natsa will be here in a jiffy. Natsa, the daughter of Mr. Kondaskin, will be here in a jiffy. Jiffy means within a moment. She has just popped over to the Gushep for a moment. She has just popped over. Popped over means a short visit. Okay, তাই অলপ সময়ের বাবে Gushep is a place in Russia or a market in Russia. তাই অলপ সময়ের বাবে বজাৰলৈকে গৈছে, গতিকে অলপ সময়ের ভিতৰত তাই আহিব। At a time, what Peter informed, as a matter of fact, I have not come for Anastasia Kirillovna. I have not come for Anastasia Kirillovna. Who is Anastasia Kirillovna? Now see here, Natsa Kondaskin is also known as Anastasia Kirillovna. অর্থাৎ Natsa Kondaskinক Anastasia Kirillovna বুলি জনা যায়। তেওঁৰ কথা কোৱা হৈছে, এতিয়াও কৈছিল যে আচল কথাটো হ'ল মই Natsa Kondaskinক লগ কৰিব অহা নাই। Mumble Milkin. Mumble means difficult to hear. মানে যে মুখৰ ভিতৰতে যেন কৈছিলে। Mumble Milkin, scratching his eye in embarrassment. Scratching means to rub with one fingernails. Then মোহাৰি দিছিলে because he was nervous. I have come to see you. মই আপোনাকে লগ কৰিব আহিছিলোঁ. Now you can understand why he come here. to stop the rumors. I have come to see you. There is a certain matter I must discuss with you. There are certain things I would like to discuss it with you. ইয়াৰে এনেকুৱা কিছুমান বিষয় আছে যিবিলাক বিষয় মই আপোনাৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিব বিচাৰোঁ. I've got something in my eye. I come to know something. In Assamese also আমি যেনেকৈ কওঁ, অসমীয়াত আমি কওঁ যে সেই এটা কথা মোৰ চকুত পৰিছে. So চকুত পৰা বা মোৰ চকুলৈকে অহা মানে কি, মই এটা কথা জানিব পাৰিছোঁ. At a time, Mr. Condes can say, and what is it you intend to discuss? And what is it? আৰু এইটোনো কেনেকুৱা কথা যে যিটো কথা তুমি মোৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিব বিচাৰা, you intend to discuss, you would like to discuss, what is the thing you would like to discuss? Said Condes with a wink, in a very friendly way. Wink means to open and close eye to quickly in a friendly greeting. In a friendly greeting to shut and open an eye. So in a very friendly way he wink. Okay? এনেকুৱা কিনো কথা আছে তুমি মোৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিব বিচাৰা, তাইৰ লগত কথা পাতিব নোৱাৰা, মোৰ লগতে কথা পাতিব বিচাৰা, এনেকুৱা কিনো আছে তোমাৰ কোৱাচোন? Like that. He exclaimed. Why are you so flustered, my dear child? Why are you so flustered? Why are you so excited, my dear boy? Why are you so excited, my dear boy? তুমি ইমান এক্সাইটেড কিয় হৈছে? মই কি হৈছে তোমাৰ? Wait behind the ears, that's your trouble. That is the idioms. Wait behind the ears means that to be young and without experience. This means inexperienced youth. Too young and you are lacking experience. তুমি এতিয়া বহুত সৰু হৈ আছা, একোৱেই নাজানা, সেইটোৱে হৈছে তোমালোকৰ বাবে ডাঙৰ কথা. তোমালোকে একোৱেই নাজানা, সৰু আছা, একো নাজানা, এইটোৱে তোমালোকৰ বৰ ডাঙৰ কথা. I know what you want to discuss. মই জানো দিয়া তুমি কি কথা পাতিব বিচাৰা. It's about time. হয়তো ক'ব বিচাৰিছিলে এইটোৱে হৈছে সময়. At a time, Pyotr Petrovich Milkin tell or inform. To put it in a nutshell, in a manner of speaking, to put it, so nutshell means to express very briefly, মানে খুব সংক্ষিপ্তভাৱে কোৱা. To put in a nutshell, in a manner of speaking, the fact of the matter is that I have come to say goodbye to you. I come here to say goodbye to you. I am leaving tomorrow. I am leaving this place tomorrow. মই এই ঠাই এৰি গুচি যাম, সেইবাবে আপোনাক মই ইয়াতে বিদায় দিব আহিছোঁ. সেইটো হৈছে আচল কথা, আৰু এই আচল কথাটো মই আপোনাক ক'লোঁ. How do you mean living? What do you mean by living? তুমি কি ক'ব বিচাৰিছা? তুমি এৰি যাবা? Said Condes, his eyes bulging. তেওঁৰ চকুকেইটা ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ কৰি দিছিলে, swelling, because he was really surprised, shocked. Quite simply living, that's all. Living, quite simply, মই ইয়াৰ পৰা গুচি যাম, সেইখিনিয়ে. Permit me to thank you for your cordial hospitality. I would like to thank you for your friendly attitude, for your friendly behavior. So cordial hospitality, someday you may get as a short question. Cordial hospitality means friendly but formal and polite welcome accorded to guests and visitors, and a friendly and a behavior. Your daughters are so nice. Your daughters are very nice. I shall never forget the moment which তেওঁলোকৰ লগত কথা প্ৰতিটো মুহূৰ্ত মই কেতিয়াও would like to say something. Okay, allow me, মোক ক'ব দিয়া, let me speak, said Condes, going purple in the face. Generally, purple means the combinations of the blue and the red. Here, purple means become extremely angry by listening to all these. Condes was extremely angry. খুব খং উঠিছিলে. I don't quite understand you. I was unable to understand you completely. Of course, Every man has the right to go away. Every man has the right to go away. প্ৰতিজন মানুহে আঁতৰি যাব পাৰে। যোৱা অধিকাৰ আছে। Every man has the right to leave. You can do whatever you please. You can do whatever you like. তোমাৰ যি মন যায় তুমি সেইটো কৰিব পাৰা। There is no doubt about that. But my dear sir, Mr. Kondaskin speaks in a very polite way. But my dear sir, you are evading the issue. Evading means trying to avoid or escape from something. You just try to hide something, avoid something from me. It is dishonest. Hiding something is dishonest. You can do whatever like, but you just try to avoid something from me. You just try to hide something from me. That is not correct. Because whenever you are very straightforward, you always like to tell the truth. Into that case, no problem. Whenever you would like to expose something in a direct way, would like to say something in a direct way, that's no problem. But when you just try to hide something, you never like to inform the exact matter, that is not good. That is bad. Because you have the right, but you get the right. Other people will understand when you expose it. Okay. So as you know that when we are nervous, at a time we stammer. আমি আমার কথা কথা আমার রয়ে যায়। এটা হয় কি due to the extreme nervousness. So you can understand whenever you read or the reaction, whenever you see the reactions or read the reactions of the Pyotr Petrovich Milkin, how he say, I don't understand. In what way am I evading the issue? Because my dear student, you come to know that why Pyotr Petrovich Milkin went to Mr. Kondaskin to discuss some of the issue, right? And he knows that, but he would like to avoid that particular thing. He would not like to expose that thing in a very straightforward way. Why? Because he has some problems. Because he commits some mistake. When you commit some mistakes, okay, into that case, you cannot project. You cannot say as a way you like. Because you like to hide. You just like to leave immediately. So stammer, that's called stammer. We also stammer whenever we have some extreme nervousness, whenever we are angry, whenever we are disturbed, this happens. So I think you understand, or you can also imagine. তোমালোকে নিজে কল্পনা কৰি ল'ব পাৰা যে তোমাৰো যদি তেনেকুৱা এটা মুহূৰ্ত আহে য'ত তোমাৰ এক্সট্ৰিম নাৰ্ভাছনেছ যিকোনো ধৰণৰ কথা এটা তুমি সেই কথাটো ক'ব গৈছা, what will be your situation? You stammer, I don't understand. So this happens in case of the Pyotr Petrovich Milkin. আৰু সেইটোৱে হৈছিলে Pyotr Petrovich Milkinৰ লগত। তেতিয়া মিষ্টাৰ কণ্ডাস্কিনে কি কৈছিলে বা তেওঁৰ ৰিয়েকশ্যনটো কেনেকুৱা আছিলে? You have been coming here all summer, eating, drinking, chatting to the girls, morning, noon and night, and then suddenly it's I'm leaving. So dear. So, এইটো কৈছে যে you have been coming here all summer, you eat here, you drink here, you talk with the girls, okay, there is no limit, you come at a noon, at a night, okay, and that kind of the person suddenly informed that he is leaving. He would not like to make any kind of the relationship or would like to leave, would not like to come again. That is your behavior. আৰু এইটো কৈছিলে যে এজন মানুহ যে সকলো সময়ত তেওঁলোকৰ ঘৰলৈকে আহে, আহাৰ গ্ৰহণ কৰে, খায় পিয়ে, তেওঁলোকৰ ছোৱালীকেইজনীৰ লগত ধুনীয়াকৈ কথা পাতে, সন্ধিয়া সময়ত, দুপৰীয়া সময়ত, সকলো সময়ত এজন ঘৰৰ সদস্যৰ নিচিনা তাত আহি যায়, তেনেকুৱা এজন মানুহে অকস্মাতে আহিব আৰু ক'ব যে মই আৰু কেতিয়াও ইয়ালৈকে নাহোঁ, মই আপোনালোকৰ লগত সম্পৰ্ক কেতিয়াও নাৰাখোঁ। এইটো কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা? এইটো কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আচৰণ? I didn't encourage any hope. মই আপোনাক কোনো ধৰণৰ আশা দিব নোৱাৰোঁ। So at a time what Peter Petrovich, Mr. Kondratkin said, of course, you didn't propose. ঠিক আছে বাৰু, তুমি প্ৰপ'জ কৰা নাছিলা বা প্ৰপ'জ কৰিব নোৱাৰা। But do you think it was not obvious which way your behavior was tending? Do you think it was not obvious? Obvious means what? Obvious, easily seen, understood. Do you think it was not obvious? It was not easily seen fact in which way your behavior was tending, in which way you your behavior, you directed to your behavior. অৰ্থাৎ তুমি এইটো ধৰিব পৰা নাই নে যে তুমি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা কৈ আছা, তুমি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আচৰণ কৰি আছা? ইমানখিনি কথা তুমি ধৰিব পাৰিছানে? ঠিক আছে বাৰু, সেইবিলাক কথা ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু তুমি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি আছা, তোমাৰ ব্যৱহাৰটো কোনপিনে ঢাল কৰিছে, তোমাৰ আচৰণবিলাক কোনপিনে গতি কৰিছে, সেইটো তুমি গম পোৱা নাইনে? এইখিনি তোমাৰ ধৰিব পৰা ক্ষমতা নাইনে? You dine with us every day. You come here and have your meal every day. You walk hand in hand with nuts for whole evening. Whole evening you walk hand in hand with my daughter, and you did not mean anything by it. And this has no meaning for you. আৰু এইবিলাক তোমাৰ বাবে একোই নহয়নে? এইবিলাকৰ বাবে তোমালোকৰ বাবে এইবিলাকৰ কোনো মিনিঙে নাইনে? Only suitors dine every day. Only suitors, one whose marriage or wedding is fixed. That kind of the person is called suitors. যাৰ বিয়া ঠিক হৈ আছে, সেইবিলাক মানুহে এইবিলাক কাম কৰে। And had you not been one, আৰু যদি তুমি তেনেকুৱা নহয়েই, would I have been entertaining you? কি মই তোমাক এণ্টাৰটেইনমেণ্ট কৰি আছোঁ নেকি? Would I have been providing? I have been entertaining you. Yes, sir. In a very honest way, Mr. Kondratkin informed, yes, sir, it is dishonest. এইটো ব্যৱহাৰ নহয়, এইটো আচৰণ বিধিয়ে নহয়, এইটো খুব বেয়া কথা। Don't even want to hear anymore. I don't even want to hear anymore. মই তোমাৰ পৰা আৰু একো কথা শুনিব নিবিচাৰোঁ। Kindly propose. তুমি তাইক আঁকোৱালি লোৱা, প্ৰপ'জ কৰা। Otherwise, at a time, পাইটাছ, সেইখিনি সময়ত পাইটাৰে কি কৈছিলে শুনিম। Anastasia Kirillovna is very nice, a fine young lady. Anastasia Kirillovna এজনী খুবেই ভাল ছোৱালী, খুব ভাল মহিলা হয় তেওঁ। I respect her. তেওঁক মই সন্মান কৰোঁ। I could not wish for a better wife. I never get a better wife. মই কেতিয়াও আৰু ভাল তাইতকৈ ভাল ছোৱালী কেতিয়াও নাপাওঁ। But the problem is that we don't share the same convictions and views, but our views and our conviction, our opinions and views are not the same. আমাৰ কথা বতৰাবিলাক, আমাৰ ধাৰণাবিলাক, আমাৰ দৃষ্টিভংগীবিলাক একেই নহয়। সেইটোৱে হৈছে মোৰ এটা ডাঙৰ সমস্যা, সেইটোৱে হৈছে মোৰ প্ৰব্লেম। At a time, Mr. Kondratkin said, is that the reason? সেইটোৱে কাৰণ। Kondratkin smiled. Kondratkin হাঁহিছিলে, কি কথা কোৱা তুমি? সেইটোৱে কাৰণ হ'ল, এইটো কাৰণ হ'ল নে কিবা? Is that all? সেইটোৱে মাত্ৰ কথা। But my dear man, do you think you can find a wife whose views are like those of her husbands? But my dear man, do you think that you get a wife whose views or opinions are the same? Do you get that kind of the girl? এনেকুৱা এজনী ছোৱালী তুমি পাবা নেকি যাৰ কথাবিলাক একে হয়, ধাৰণাবিলাক একে হয়? Youth, those green and salad days, youth, those still quite young stage of the life. কি কৈছিলে? মই You don't have to write in the examination, but I would like to elaborate that particular idioms of the fridge. Those green and salad days, what is the meaning of that? Green and salad days generally still quite young stage of the life. At that stage, at a youth, we think that all the things whatever we observe is colorful or full of the color, beautiful. We always like to find out the taste within that color. We always like to move with that color, always like to see that color, different type of the colors. We would like to derive different kind of the taste, but we never try to understand the ultimate meaning of that color, of that taste. We never like to see behind that color. We never like to understand behind that taste. Whatever we see, we believe. If we see or get some sweet words, we think that it's very nice. If we observe some colorful object, it's very nice. But it is not a reality. It is not the reality. This world is fake. And due to that kind of the wrong observation, we face the problem at that stage. Because at that stage we are lacking the experience, and so we face a lot of problem. So this meaning is that youth, still quite young stage of the life. Though he's saying to that way, we can also learn a lesson. There is a moral also. We always try to introspect. Whatever we see, that may not be the reality. Okay. So তেওঁ কি কৈছিলে ডেকা তুমি বহুত ডেকা হৈ আছা আৰু এইটো একেবাৰে ডেকা বয়স আৰু তোমাৰ সেইকাৰণে ভুল হৈ গৈছে তুমি ভুল কৰিছা comes up with some kind of theory. Let's produce some theory. Let's discuss. By God, he smiled. Enough to knock anybody all of a heap. Again he said that enough to knock anybody all of a heap. This means that it is difficult to leave someone in a very shocked or upset state. কাৰোবাক এনেকুৱা ধৰণে এৰাটো ইমান সহজ কথা নহয় ইমান সৰু কথা এটাত বা ইমানখিনি কথা এটাত কোনোবা এজন মানুহক ইমান সহজতে এৰি দিয়াটো বা এৰি থৈ যোৱাটো ভাল কথা নহয় You don't share the same views now. Yes. You don't share the same views. Tomar views will get same নহব একে নহব But you will live together a bit. যেতিয়া তুমি লাহে লাহে একেলগে থাকিবা when you started to continue your life. And then all those rough edges will be rubbed off. All those rough means what? Rough or unpleasant area will be rubbed off, will be clean up. অৰ্থাৎ যিবিলাক তোমাৰ জীৱনৰ হাৰ্শ এৰিয়া আছে খহটা যিবিলাক কি আছে সেইবিলাক যেতিয়া তুমি একেলগে থাকিব ল'বা যেতিয়া সেইবিলাক তুমি যেতিয়া ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিবা একেলগে থাকা তুমি rubbed off তেতিয়া কি হ'ব সেই খহটা ঠাইখিনিও মিহি হৈ যাব It will be smooth, it will be clean. All those rough edges will be rubbed off. The harsh area, when you start to live, continue your life, it will be rubbed off. সেইখিনিও কি হ'ব সেই খহটা ঠাইখিনিও মিহি হৈ যাব You can drive over a new so regarding that particular point সেই যেটো তেওঁ পইণ্ট কৰিছিলে সেই পইণ্টটোৰ সহায়ত তেওঁ এটা কম্পেৰিজন ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিছিলে কম্পেৰিজনটো কেনেকুৱা চাই লওঁ এবাৰ You can't drive over a new made road. তুমি এটা নতুন ৰাস্তা যেতিয়া বনোৱা হয় when a new road was made. You can't drive. One cannot drive. নতুন ৰাস্তাটো বনাই দিয়াৰ লগে লগে ড্ৰাইভ কৰাটো ড্ৰাইভ কৰিব নোৱাৰে But after it's been in use কিন্তু যেতিয়া সেই ৰাস্তাটো কি কৰিব ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব ল'ব সেই ৰাস্তাটো যেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ হ'ব ফৰ এ ৱাইল কিছু সময়ৰ বাবে দ্য গোয়িং স্মুথাৰ এতিয়া কি হয় জাৰ্ণিবিলাক কি হয় স্মুথ হৈ যায় অৰ্থাৎ নতুনকৈ ৰাস্তা এটা বনোৱাৰ লগে লগে যেনেকৈ গাড়ী চলাব নোৱাৰি কিন্তু ৰাস্তাটো যেতিয়া খুলি দিয়া হয় যেতিয়া তাত গাড়ীবিলাক চলিব আৰম্ভ কৰি দিয়ে তেতিয়া কি হৈ যায় জাৰ্ণিটো কি হয় স্মুথ হয় ৰাস্তা স্মুথ হয় অৰ্থাৎ ঠিক তেনেকুৱা ধৰণে ৱেন ইভাৰ ইউ have some adjustment, you start to live the life with Naksa Kondaskin. All your views and convictions, whatever the views and convictions you have, the problem you have, all will be adjusted. But you need the patience. Okay. এইখিনিতেও কৈছিলে